Some of the most lethal diseases are yielding to powerful new gene and cell therapies, or GCT. While the development of GCT has been underway for decades, its broad arrival in the clinic signals a new era in medicine. The May 19th through 21st, 2021 World Medical Innovation Forum will assemble global GCT leaders who are driving the science, translation, and adoption of these remarkable new treatments. Their promise, however, comes with a breadth of new challenges, including biological complexity, production, safety, trial design, pricing, and business models. But new GCT-based therapies look to confront some of humankind's most intractable illnesses with the promise of enduring therapies and outright cures. At the World Medical Innovation Forum, you'll have unparalleled access to like-minded attendees, where networking translates to collaboration, and access to Mass General Brigham's providers, giving you opportunities for innovation. Join us for the 2021 World Medical Innovation Forum and be among the decision makers who are shaping the future of medicine and the acceleration of cell and gene therapy.